láti sọ̀rọ̀ olóyè Sunday Igboho in a negative way. Any platform of Yoruba Nation tí wọ́n bá fi sí torí Ọlọ́run, the admin should delete that video, including audio, with immediate effect. Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Today is November 4th, 2023. And New York time, Nigeria time, it was November 5th, 2023. I am saying this categorically. Any platform, any Yoruba Nation platform, tí wọ́n bá ti share video tàbí audio pé ẹnìkan sọ̀rọ̀ olóyè Sunday Igboho or Baba Akintoye in a negative way, we should stop sharing it. Tí Sunday Igboho bá jẹ́ bàbá wa, ṣá máa share with video bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. Tó bá jẹ́ ọkọ tiẹ̀, àbí ẹ̀gbọ́n tiẹ̀, àbí ọkọ tèmi, ṣá máa share video tí wọ́n ti ń yẹ̀yẹ́, tí wọ́n ti ń bu. I am saying this Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Any platform tó máa share sí, and one gbogbo tó wà ní platform yìí pé nobody to share any video. Tó bá ti bu olóyè Sunday Igboho ṣá into any platform of Yoruba Nation. If you share it, we will go block you. Everybody need warning. Kò jù bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn lọ. If Sunday Igboho can stand up for us, láti jà fún wa, láti dìde fún wa, wípé kò sí tó jọ, nobody gbọ́dọ̀ fìyà jẹ ọmọ Yorùbá. Tẹ́lẹ̀ kò bá ti wá sọ̀rọ̀ láburú, àwa wá ń ṣí ẹ̀, àwa ń pín, à ń promote ẹ̀, ìwà ìkà nìyẹn. Ìwà kí ni mo pè? Ìwà ìkà nìyẹn. Ẹ má jẹ́ ká joyè ìkà. Anybody bá ti bú Sunday Igboho, tó bá share link yẹn sínú tó bá share link yẹn sínú platform, the admin should delete the link immediately with immediate effect. Kẹ́dẹ̀ fún ẹni tó bá ṣe ní warning, but never káwọn lọ create platform tí wọn kó máa lọ ṣe níbẹ̀. And if you don't like Sunday Igboho, unfollow me. If you don't like Sunday Igboho, unfollow me, go to block me. If you don't like Professor Banji Akintoye, unfollow me, go they block me. So if you against Sunday Igboho, I will unfollow you and I will block you. That is just it. If what I am doing, you don't like it, just unfollow me and block me. If you are here to against Sunday Igboho, I will block you. If you refuse to block me, if you refuse to unfollow me, I will unfollow you and I will block you. So we should all do that. We should all use this medium to fight, to speak on behalf of Oloye Sunday Igboho Osha. And what's the man you can send it in power? Kì í ṣe owó ló wà ní Yorùbá Nation o. Wọ́n ò lè pa wọ́n mẹ́ àti ìyàwó ẹ̀ wọ́n wà ní Germany o. Ó tún wá mú ààrẹ, ó tún wà ní Germany, ó tún pa àwọn Yorùbá Nation náà ni. If you can do that for us, ẹ jẹ́ ká consider pé tó bá jẹ́ ọkọ tiẹ̀ ni, tó bá jẹ́ bàbá tiẹ̀ ni, tó bá jẹ́ ìyá tèmi ni, ṣá máa gbà, kó máa bu, ká máa wá play video yẹn. My opinion. And if you like it, put it in the comment section. If you like it, practice it. Even if you come across that kind of video on Facebook, don't comment. They want you to comment and say, your comment will give them money. Don't comment. Don't make angry face. Don't comment, don't comment. Tó bá ti wò tó ní ẹ, Sunday Igboho kí ni bàbá yìí, ọ̀gbẹ́ni, sharpen the blocking. Unfollow them. If they don't like us, let them unfollow us. We don't like them, we will unfollow them. Not on any negativity videos or audio on CSR. Banji Akintoye, God bless you. Hey, money say no to Sunday Igboho. Say no to any negativity videos and audios on CSR and Banji Akintoye. We say no. That is our play card. That's the play card, buy. That is our play card. We say no to any negativity video and audio on Sunday Igboho and Baba Akintoye. We say no to them. No. Put it in your platforms. That Yoruba won láyé. Ẹ ṣe mo dúpẹ́ Yorubawuyi lórúkọ mi. Yorubawuyi ni mo ń jẹ́. Including on TV. Yes. Any platform. They never say show. I'm in the platform Sunday Igboho. Why are we listening to them? Why? Why? And then talk power away. kò dáná ẹni tó tún ló ń tọ́jà. Anybody, I don't want to know ìjìnlẹ̀ or know ìjìnlẹ̀. Anybody, we must stop this. Fight to finish, we must stop it. Anybody, we don't go and listen to them. Ẹ má gbọ́ nǹkan tí wọ́n ń sọ. If you don't like me, unfollow me. Ẹ má gbọ́ tí wọ́n ń sọ. Tó bá jù sínú platform admin, delete it. Tẹ́tí méjì mẹ́ta bá ń gbọ́ náà máa ṣí ẹ̀. Tó bá ti jù sínú platform bá yá. Ẹ ṣàwọn supported, God bless you. Say no to move. Yes, God be with you all the time and your family, and you too, sir. Sister Fatai, God bless you. Any mumu, always go negative way. Ever play admin as admin lele. Congratulations, Yoruba, with your award.